This S&S Diesel Gen 2.1 CP4.2 kit is a thoughtfully engineered safeguard that keeps a failing CP4 pump from sending metal debris through the injectors, rails, lines, and fuel tank on 6.7 power stroke engines. The redesigned fuel routing splits the supply farther from the pump and sends case fuel back to the tank separately, which greatly reduces the chance of contaminated fuel recirculating into the high-pressure side. All of the lines use factory-style quick connect fittings, so installation is cleaner, avoids cutting the original fuel line, and eliminates several common leak or debris entry points. The Billet aluminum return filter head accepts a widely available Donaldson spin-on fuel filter, making it easy and inexpensive to trap CP4 debris before it can reach the tank or low-pressure pump. Coverage for Ford Super Duty trucks from model year 2011 through model year 2025 means one part number works across a huge range of 6.7 power stroke applications. Real-world validation, United States manufacturing, and CARB compliance give this kit a level of reliability and peace of mind that is hard to match in the diesel aftermarket.